Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your screen is flickering on this tablet. First of all, check your brightness either by sliding down the control center and moving the slider to adjust your brightness, or you can just go to settings, select display and brightness, try disabling automatic brightness level and manually changing it by moving this slider right here. And in case it doesn't help you solve your issue, then you can clean the surface of your tablet by wiping it with a dry cloth. It's better if you use a microfiber piece of cloth, just to make sure that the light sensors work right on your tablet, so that it detects the brightness level around you better. Now then turn on your tablet and check if the problem is resolved, and in case it's not, then make sure that you are connected to the internet in the Wi-Fi section. Then go to System and Updates, check Software Updates. Click check for updates, and if you do have any updates for your tablet, then of course download and install them, even if it takes some time. Then to restart your tablet. To do that, you have to press and hold the power button for a while and select restart option, confirm, and wait until your device is restarted. Now check if the problem is solved right by now, but if it's not, then the last thing that I recommend you to do is go back to System and Updates settings, select reset all settings, then confirm by pressing reset all settings, then confirm once again, and then wait until the settings are reset, and then just see if the problem is solved. And I hope that this troubleshooting guide helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.